Good morning, Vlogmas day 19. I just got ready for the day. I figured you guys deserve to see me at my best for once. Oh my, I always start like, fresh out of bed, crazy hair. Hair isn't done yet, by the way, but makeup is all done. Today I have to go to work, like I have said in previous Vlogmases. I have to work every day until Christmas Eve, which is fine. I love. And I'm going to be combining a couple of Vlogmas days up until the end of Vlogmas, just so I can keep the content a little bit more interesting and not so boring for you guys. So I went for like a simpler eye look today. Sometimes I go through phases where I'm like, okay, whoa, like your eyes look so dark and intense. I think you need to lighten it up a little bit. So that's kind of what I did today. Just did like a simple base with a little bit of shimmer on the inside, and then put like a darker pinky, more natural color in the crease, and then obviously my lip. This is the new Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Moon. This is comparable to the gloss by Fenty, apparently. I've never used the Fenty one, but I am really enjoying this color. Like, it's the closest to my lip color, and it's not like too red or too orange. I don't know. I really, really like it. I also went for a more like spidery lash today. I don't know if you can see that, but I don't know. I kind of like that look. I like a look that's different, a little bit intense, a little bit aggressive. This by no means is aggressive. I'm just saying, like, I don't know. I used 2 mascaras today to kind of like get that lift and to get that volume and boldness and spideriness. So I am about to put my clothes on. Gotta head out the door in a few minutes. I'm pushing it today. I mean, I'm usually always late, but I'm a tiny bit early, and I want to leave early because it is the Saturday before the week of Christmas. So I'm going to be trying a new outfit today. I just came up with it in my head last night, so we'll see how that looks on. Sometimes I'll do that where I'm like, I really love this piece in my closet, but I don't know how to style it, or I've worn this piece so many times, I want to wear it a different way. And so last night this idea popped in my head. So with the whole like new sweater vest trend, I have a really cute one from Boohoo, which I've never shopped from before. I'm trying not to do like really fast fashion brands, but I wanted to get a vest, and this is a Zara dupe, so I snagged that. I'm going to be putting a collared shirt underneath, and then I thought, ooh, I wonder if mom jeans would look really cute underneath it with some black platform boots. So we're going to go ahead and switch over to that shot. All right, here is the fit for today. I'm actually really into it. I'm glad that the proportions and stuff worked out. So this is the Boohoo Houndstooth sweater vest, and then I just got an oversized button down to put on underneath. I also sized up in the sweater vest because I wanted it to be a little bit more oversized. And then I just have some mom jeans on. These are either from like Just Black Denim, Blank NYC. I think they're Blank NYC maybe. And then my platform boots are from Zara nonetheless. And I just accessorized with like some gold jewelry, threw my hair up in a little ponytail, if you can see that. So I'm really into this look. Very preppy, but also like kind of laid back. Advent calendar day 12. What do we have? Oh, more coffee. This is the World Market Texas Turtle ground coffee. Literally just brewed my coffee. So I'll have to try this tomorrow, but I wonder if this smells like turtle ice cream. I'm not like a huge fan of turtle, but I wonder how it would taste with coffee. Sweet. I thought it was a Zara sweater, but it's actually an H&M sweater. I wore it the other day, but it's that tan turtleneck. It's really thick and it's longer. We basically got the shorter version of that in, but it's gray. Total. But I think that also kind of contributes, I mean, to corporate, to be honest, because we don't really get corporate stuff in anymore. I'm trying the Texas Turtle coffee. Mm-hmm. Tastes like a black coffee. Yeah, there's no like pizzazz. It tastes just like a black coffee. Well, this might be the ticket, ladies and gents. Advent calendar, day 20. We have a syrup that I could put in my coffee. Oh, pumpkin spice. Yummy. I'm trying to think, should I try this in it today? Should I put some mint in it? Should I put some marshmallow in it? I feel like I don't want to put this in it. Maybe I'll put it in it. Let's try this one. Okay, pumpkin spice. Oh, it smells like soap. Okay, we're just gonna put a little dollop of that in. We're not overpowering the whole coffee. You still can't taste it. Just a tad more and we're gonna be done. Okay, well, I'm not tasting the pumpkin spice, Mom. Unless I put the whole bottle in. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Ow, I have a huge bump on my head. Ow! My God. So I just got home from work and I'm snacking on some doodads. I don't know about you, but I feel like every family has a holiday trail mix recipe. I don't know, but we call these doodads. Don't really know the story behind it. I'm sure there is one, but this is our trail mix that my mom makes every single year and it is so freaking bomb. So what's inside is pretzels, wheat checks, rice checks, these little whales. You can do like Cheez-Its as well. There's cashews. There's also almonds in here, which I don't love, but you know, I just pick around those. Also these rye crackers, which are incredible. And then we put like a sauce over it. So it definitely has butter and it definitely has Worcestershire in it. I'm sure there's other things as well. But we mix all of that together and then you bake it. Don't know how long. I can probably put that like in the description below, but I'm just snacking on this. Also, quick story time. The hottest man I think I've ever seen in the South came into work today. I was really hoping he came in with his sister, but it turned out that he was with his fiance as of last week. So this is a recent engagement, but he walked in and my coworker and I were like, is that like an actor? Like, is that a model? He was so beautiful. So if you're friends with me, you know that I 1000% have a type in men. So it's usually long hair, preferably dark hair, blue or green eyes, lanky, tall, plays guitar. That's very specific, but yeah, basically looks like your average guitar player in a band. If you're close to me, you know exactly who I just described, but that is my type to a T. So he had brown, long, curly hair, dimples, blue eyes. He was very buff. He was tall. Like, he was stunning. And so we did a little bit of stalking and we found him on social media. And he's just beautiful. And after today, like, I am so optimistic that my husband like could potentially live in the South. If that lives in the South, I was just telling my mom, like, I have only seen 2 like drop dead hot men around where I live. The rest of them, in my opinion, are just like, you know, your typical Southern gentleman, and that's fine. That's just not really, you know, like who I'm attracted to. But Yeah, I was a little bit shaken after he left. So overall, it was a good day at work though. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you made it to the end, and subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new Vlogmas. Bye.